channels, or you can go to advanced mode as well. This is the advanced mode. As we talked earlier, you can click on see more right here, or go to the advanced mode if you want to learn about the analytics in brief. Now going to the reach. Here you will get to see the reach of your video, the impressions in your video, the impression click-through rate and unique viewers. So what is the reach that your video is getting will be available here. Once you start uploading, the impressions will be shown here, the impression rates will be shown here, and the views will be shown here. Also, there might be certain unique viewers that might be watching your videos repetitively, that can be seen here, so you can know how people enjoy your video. Now, traffic source type. Right now, as we know, we haven't uploaded any videos. You will get to see the traffic source type once there is certain data available. Now, impressions and how they lead to watch time. We don't have videos, so once you start uploading, you will get to know how those videos will lead to watch time and the impressions as well. For example, for what time the viewers watched your video and then clicked off from the video, all of that will be included, and the rate impression click through rate will be available to you. Similarly, traffic source external, you can see here, once you start uploading, the external traffic source for your videos will be available, similar to the playlist as well. As we talked about the playlist earlier, the traffic source for the playlist will be available. Now here you will see the suggested videos. Here you can see traffic from suggestions that appear next to or after other videos, and from links in videos description. uh, as you can understand from here, they are the suggestions that appear next to or after other videos. So this video, once your video gets start clicking from the video description or from the traffic of the suggestions, then it will be available here. Similarly with the YouTube search, how many people, let's say the YouTube search terms that brought viewers to your content from the search box, while they search for the certain tags or the keywords, and your video appears, what made them brought here, or what rate have come to your channel will be available here. Now going to the comments. Before that, let's finish this engagement, audience and research. So going to the engagement, this is very similar to the reach as well. Now you can see how engaged viewers on your video. Do they watch the entire video? Do they watch for just few seconds, or they watch for half of the time?